All right, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a yoga instructor, a registered nurse, and a wellness professional. And in today's practice, we're going to slow things down. We're going to focus on heart centering yoga practice. And the only thing I would ask for you to have is possibly a yoga strap. You can absolutely just use a belt or even a kitchen towel for this, and a sturdy chair as well. So this will be a seated practice. And before we jump in, I do want to just share with you, this does complement our wellness walking program. So if you would like to grab your general stride guide, it's a free download that I have available for you on my website. You can find out more in the links below. All right, folks, let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and meet me back here and we'll find our seated position. You'll notice my trusty sidekick Charlie is with me for all of our practices. I'm going to ask that you start in a seated pose. So press the feet evenly into the earth, maybe roll shoulders back and away from the ears, and then just rest the hands where they land, either on the lap, palms facing up or down. And we won't be here long. Maybe soften the gaze or even close the eyes, trusting yourself and your practice here. And start to tune into that natural resource of the breath. So just watching the breath as it travels in and out. Becoming mindful in this stillness, taking a moment to pause just for you, letting go of the day thus far, and coming into this moment that you've carved out for yourself today. And when you're ready, gently open the eyes. Nice. Let's take one hand to the sky. I'm going to start on my right hand, so if you would like, reach the right arm up to the sky, big full breath in. Big full breath out as you fold over to the left. Left hand can drop down, look up or down. Drop right hand down, second side, left arm high to the sky, big full breath. And exhale to fold over to the right. And find a little sway here, just rocking side to side. Wake up that back body a little bit more. Nice. For 3, 2, and 1. Release that hand down, let it go, shake it out. Take both hands high to the sky, make fists when you get there, and then slowly just exhale, roll out the wrists as you lower the wrist down. Let's do that 2 more times, really getting into the small muscles of the hands and the wrists. Just roll it out, make those fists and roll it out. And I know you can't see my hands, but that's okay. You know where we're headed. How about one more time? Lift the arms high, maybe a full breath in, and a long, slow exhale as you release the hands down. Nice, and let that go. Take both hands out in front. Keep the left hand where it is. Take an open heart twist to the right. See how far you want to take that right hand behind. You might look over right shoulder. And back through center, second side. Right hand stays where it is. Open left arm out. Let's repeat this twist one more time. Right hand reaches. And back through center. Left arm will reach. And back through center. Nice job. Drop it down, shake it out a little bit. Take the hands to the lap for a seated cat-cow. I'm just going to turn so you can see my spine. So it's a flexion and extension of the spine. Hands will stay on the lap. Inhale, roll the heart open as you lift the gaze up. On your exhale, tuck belly button in towards the spine, roll through the upper back body. So arch upper back body for a scaredy cat. Inhale, rise up, breathe well. And exhale, softly fold into that cat pose. 2 more rounds. Inhale, rise up. And exhale to fold. Make this practice your own. So you might be breathing with me and you might not be. Wherever you are, just take one more round of cat-cow just for you. Nice, and then gently come back through center. Give yourself some shoulder rolls to open through the chest a little bit more. Nice. For 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and just reverse those a couple times. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Shake it on out. Let that go. Let's take the right knee in towards the chest. Really compress it towards the belly. And then start to roll out the ankle. One direction and the other. Nice. And then from here, maybe you do grab that strap. And we're gonna unwind the strap or a buckle belt, whatever you have. And let's hug that knee in towards the chest. Again, loop the foot with the strap. And let's work to extend through that leg. So leg is gonna extend, arms are nice and loose here. And just breathe. Maybe take that strap in the right hand. And maybe you open that leg out to the side. Yeah. And then an extension through that left arm for a little counter balance. Nice. Come back through center, and then strap comes into both hands. We're gonna hug the knee in towards the chest and then straighten through that leg. Yeah, little nice exercise for the knee, that hip joint, femur bone. Nice. For 3, 2, and 1. Hug it in, straighten that leg out, and see if you wanna lift the leg a little bit higher towards the sky. Drop it down, march it out, let that go. Second side, left knee is gonna hug in. You can use the strap to support yourself here, and wherever you are, roll out the ankle for me. One direction, and the other. Take your time. As always, make this practice your own. From here, you might strap the foot in, extend through that leg. Now, if you choose not to use a strap or a support, that's fine too. Breathe here. Let's open that leg out to the left. Right arm's gonna extend. Come back through center. We'll take that knee exercise. So bring the knee in and then work to straighten it out. We got 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Straighten the leg out and then drop that foot down. Go ahead and march it out for me. While we have the strap in hand, let's do a little shoulder stretch. I really love this one. It's a move we don't do very often. So if you have a super long strap like I do, go ahead and bunch it up in one hand. And then of course, always watch that buckle on the other side. Okay, and then I like to take it about shoulder length or shoulder width apart. And then from here, we're gonna take the strap and pretend like you're taking your jacket on and off. So we're gonna take the strap, you can move the elbows, bend the elbows a little or a lot, then bring it behind you, lift that arm over. Yeah, give it a try 3 more times on this side. Some people like it, some people really don't, so just see what you like. You can always make adjustments with that strap, making it longer or shorter. Yeah, so this is really helping. It's one of those just moves that we just don't do in our daily life very much. Yeah. And then let's do it again 4 times on the other side. Take your time. Nice. Charlie's busy taking a nap over there. We got one last one, so make this your last one wherever you are. Nice job. Let it go. Keep the strap out in front. We're going to take the strap overhead and then extend over to one side. Either side is fine. Back through center, second side. Nice. Back through center, drop that strap down and gently let it go. Drop that strap to the side. Nice. We're going to try a little tapping technique. So, right over our heart, we want to take such good care of our heart, but right over the heart is the thymus gland. We're just going to tap on that thymus gland and, give a little vibration, a little bit of love to this area. And all I want you to do is just take 3 or 4 fingers on both hands and give yourself just little taps here. Little taps. And tune in, see how that feels. Maybe expand the size of your taps, maybe a little bit wider across the chest, maybe even getting up into these clavicles, the collarbone area. It might feel nice to close the eyes and just really tune into the sensations that you might be feeling. And that thymus gland is connected with our lymphatic system or immunity system. So it's so good this time of year especially. We all seem to have runny noses and stuff. So let's activate here. Let's take good care of our immune system and our heart. Nice. And while we're here, let's go ahead and just place a hand at heart center and drop the other hand right over top. Notice, maybe extend some gratitude to yourself for showing up for your practice today. Maybe you notice the gentle beat of your own heart drum under the hands. Just reminding you, a gentle, subtle reminder that you're awake, alive, and fully present in this moment. And as you're ready, if your eyes were closed, gently open them and shake out your mudra a little bit. Nice. Let's move to a couple neck stretches and then we'll call it a day. Let's drop the chin towards the chest. Gently, in your own time, lift the gaze up towards the sky. Come back through center, take a look over one shoulder, either side. And then move back through center, second side. Let's repeat this one more time, chin towards chest. And lift the gaze up towards the sky. Take a look over one shoulder. And second side. Nice. And then come to center. Let's go ahead and we'll finish out this practice. Palms can face up on the lap. Maybe close the eyes and notice how you feel. If you notice this sense of calm and peace, invitation to take it along with you as you travel throughout the rest of your day and the rest of your week. And please know you can tap into this inner peace at any point in your busy day. It's just a couple deep, mindful breaths. You can tune right back in here. Reminding yourself, life is short. We need to just make the very most of it. And that's what we do. Being mindful and cognizant of our actions, our thoughts, and how we take care of our bodies, our minds, and how we tend to the people around us. You can gently open the eyes. And I thank you so much for being here for practice. You can always use this as a little warm-up or a little cool down or just something in between that you need a little breather for the day. Great for morning time or any time of the day, honestly. So I thank you so much for being here, being a part of, and I'm so grateful to be a part of your wellness journey. So as always, I'm here for questions. If you would like to leave a comment or even subscribe to my channel, I would absolutely love it. That just helps other people find this channel so that I can connect with more people and serve them. So thank you so much for being here. I'll see you again soon.